Gone are the days where you will have to spend endless hours designing presentation. With the assistance of AI, you can now create stunning presentations in few clicks. And that is what I want to show you in this video. How to use Canva AI to create presentation using your Word document. If you are ready, let's dive in. Turning onto my computer, let me open my Chrome browser and then switch immediately to canva.com. I have already opened it from my system, but if you don't know how to get to Canva, I will put the link in the description box below. Now, while inside Canva, you can see different designs from templates, but what we want to do today is not templates. You will see your own previous designs from this tab, but today we are looking at Canva AI. So what I will do now is to click on this Canva AI tab. From here, I will now have to describe my idea, what I want Canva to generate for me. But before I do that, I already have a document that I would like to use for this particular presentation. Let me show you the document. So if I go to this folder, I will have this file here on climate change. On this particular laptop, what I use is only Office and not Microsoft Word. They are basically the same. Okay, so if you scroll down, you see that I have about 6-page documents here on climate change. So we'll be using it to create our presentation. Let me close it now. Back to Canva, I will now have to upload this file. So I will click on this button, then click on upload. Locate the file wherever it is. It is on my desktop. Then wait for it to upload. After the upload, I will then tell Canva what I want it to do for me. I've already prepared a prompt for it. So let me paste my prompts. Look at this prompt. It says, create a 10-page modern educational presentation based on these documents about climate change and its effect on Africa. So you can pause the video and go on and read the prompts. And if you want to see other of my prompts that I use, just find a link in the description box and join our Telegram channel so that you see all our everyday AI prompts. Now, the next thing I will do is to click on this button. Immediately I click on that, I will now wait for Canva to generate this presentation for us. I will pause the video and come back when the presentation is ready. Look at it here. Canva is still thinking. It wants to analyze the document that we uploaded before it will start to design the presentation. You can see Canva is doing its magic. So after the analysis, Canva presented us with this outline. So you have to check if you are good with that. You can always edit it. Any section that you don't like, you can edit or rearrange. You can as well delete. So if you are good, you then click on Generate Design button. So you also wait for it to think and make the presentation. Mapping out the presentation, and right now it is polishing the design details. Boom, we have our design. So once you point on it, Canva will scroll through it, all the 10 slides as we have instructed. If you don't like this one, you point to the next one and see what Canva has done for you. I hope you understand. Please subscribe to my channel, like it if you are getting value from here. But do not go out because we still have something to show you. I'm going to show you how to edit it further if you don't like it this way, and how you can also have it in your PowerPoint or in any other application. Look at more designs. Anyone that you like, you go ahead and choose that particular one. And if you don't like this, if there is anything you would like to change, you can always come down here and refine your design. You can see the message here. So you come down here and ask more questions. But remember, this all depends on your credits. If you are using Canva Pro or you are using Canva Free, as you use, it will take up your credits. I hope you understand. So assuming this is what I want, I will just click on it, or can we go with this? Let me just click anyone. Okay, so I'll just click here. It will come up here. Look at it. So remember I said you can ask follow-up question using this chatbot. You can as well change the color here. If I click on here where we have color, you can change the color to something else. Okay, it all depends on what you want. So once you are okay with the design, you then click on use Canva editor. This use Canva editor will help you to save your credit instead of coming back here all the time to say change this, adjust this. Just click on this use Canva editor so that it will not take you to the normal Canva editor. While you are here, you can then change whatever you want to change. If you know how to use Canva, you will understand that these things are not difficult to do. And if you don't know how to use Canva, I have different videos on Canva. You can check my channel. Okay? So when you are done editing the slide 1, you can come here and click slide 2, slide 3, and so on. Okay? This is how easy it is to generate or to design PowerPoint presentation with Canva. You do not need to spend hours just to design a presentation. Gone are those days because AI has made things simpler for us. Now, the next thing we need to do is to export this file so that you can present it outside Canva. Maybe you would like to present it in PowerPoint or in any other application. But before we do that, let me show you something. If you come to canva.com/pricing, you will see different price lists here. We have Canva free, which is 0 naira. I'm in Nigeria. It will depend on your location. Okay. Then we have Canva Pro, which is about 23,900 for one person a year. And again, we have 22,000 a year. This one is for 3 people. Okay. But why did I bring you here? I want to show you something. When you scroll down and see where we have AI design tools, okay? If you now click here, your credit will depend on the amount of tools you are using. So we'll have Magic Resize, Translate, Magic Animate, Magic Expand, AI Voice, and so on. All this will determine the type of credit Canva will collect while you are using it. So you just need to be careful. Don't overuse your credits if you are on free plan. I hope you understand. Now back to Canva. Let us now finalize this tutorial. To export it, I will have to click on share. Once I click on share, I will come down here and click on download. From here, Canva is suggesting that I should export it as PDF, but I don't want PDF. If you want PDF, you go on and download. For me, I want PowerPoint so that I'll be able to open it in PowerPoint, Google Slides, or only Office, depending. So I'll click on PowerPoint, and I'm using the entire pages 1 to 10. Then I'll click on download. Then wait for it to finish the download. When the download is complete, I'll open it from here. Look at the file, so you can open it at any time. How cool is that? This is our PowerPoint presentation designed in Canva. You can also go on to make some changes from PowerPoint, from Google Slides, or any Office application you are using. Let me know what you think about this presentation design. Is there any other tool you think that can do it more than this? Let me have your thoughts in the comment section. If you are struggling on how to write better AI prompts, I made a complete tutorial that shows you step by step on how to write AI prompts. The video is popping up now. You also find the link in the description box below. Until next time, keep learning.